So we're going to the farm. We have we're not going to do much, just a simple space that we need to do weeding. Today we are working in the farm. We're not doing a big piece, we're just doing this small area from this end to that end. Yeah, these basils have been here for like I think 6 months. Yeah, I think they've reached maturity. So this is our first time planting the basils. We've never planted basils before, so we did not know how it works. And also we realized that, you see these seedlings, one thing about them is the fact that these ones, they produce seeds when they dry out. Like, let me look for one. I don't know, these ones that they already dried out, they have some tiny seedlings that when you sow them, they're gonna grow again. So that's one thing we realized about basil. Example, down here you can see these are mini basils that have grown by themselves. Yeah, so we are planning to transplant them, but I don't know. Yeah, but there are a lot. We're planning to give out to our neighbors so that they can also plant. Those are also, these basils attract bees. There are a lot of bees around here. Yeah, so we're going to start from this point going that way. I don't know, I'm planning to remove those bell peppers because I think we should just plant others, because these are not producing enough fruits and the fruits are not even that big. So we're gonna uproot them, yeah, and see if we can plant others or something else on this part. But the basils are gonna remain here. Even I don't think I'll be weeding around the basils because there are a lot of seedlings down here. Yeah, so that's it. So this is what we've done so far. I'm trying to deal with this bush. I've tried to uproot a couple of grasses that are grown between the basil plants. So yeah, I'm trying not to harm the tiny seedlings because we can use them. And you see, even it has started growing because it has stopped growing for some time. I love seeing such cute creatures. There's a bee here. Look at the bee, so cute. So lovely. Early in the morning, there are always a lot. With the remaining parts because they've said they've sprayed it with herbicide, so there's no need for uprooting. I'm just gonna let it dry by itself because the herbicides were actually by like around 4 days. Yeah, so that's the situation. But